saying? I got hot meat. Yes, sir.
Just got done getting the haircut, man. Sun out, so I don't even know if you can see it like that. You know what I'm saying? Pretty fire. When I tell you that you guys don't know how, you don't understand how hot it is outside right now, but it's the weather in Georgia is starting to kick in. It's getting hotter each and every day. That's what it feels like. But I just got me a haircut, you know what I'm saying? I just need to get a haircut for real because it was just ridiculous. So I just came and got a haircut. I just got off work, so I was like, we just started to the barbershop. Things just like right there where I work. Basically live at Planet Smoothie. Like, when am I never here? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gotta figure out what else I want to get into. But right now, I'm just chilling for the day. Got a car show tomorrow, so that might be the next clip. Y'all gotta stay tuned throughout the whole vlog, though. Alright, so we got a car show today, guys. I believe this is my first car show. If I went to one when I was younger, I just don't remember that. So we got the car show today, man. We're gonna go out there, have some fun, have a blast. This is their second time doing this car show, so it's gonna be small. I know it's gonna be some fire cars. There might be some questionable cars in the lineup, but that's cool. You know what I'm saying? We're just out here to have fun, so you guys make sure you stay tuned throughout this whole vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Personally welcome everybody out. I got co-workers here. I've got ex-co-workers here. I've got lots and lots of people here. But thank you so much for coming out. We hope that this day will be a blessed day for you and that you'll have a great and awesome time. And we look forward to doing it again on next year. So we can call it our third annual car show. All right. Well, I'm going to turn this over back to the DJ for right now. But again, thank everybody for coming out.
Here that I have, it will be given away with this ticket number right here. It's 766-766. So if you have that ticket, please come up here and claim your prize right here. This bucket right here, 766. So true while you're out here on the church ground.
And I'm here to survive. The lyrics to make you shake your panic.
that way with it, God.
Georgia weather is no joke. I was only out there for like a good 30 minutes. It wasn't that many cars that I expected, but I'm cool with that, bro, because this Georgia weather, bro, it's too hot outside. It feels like it's like 100 degrees outside, and they're saying that it's 90 degrees, bro. And I got a black t-shirt on, man, and it's hot outside. So, but I'm done with the car show, man. My first one, I believe, you know, a good experience. There were some nice cars out there, but you know what I'm saying, I've definitely seen better cars that were presented, but you know what I'm saying, that's cool.
So glad to see you guys all out here and have us all together celebrating and having a good time. And this piece that I want to perform for you all is a personal piece. I grew up in church, and it's a big part of my art and how I talk about my life and how I exist in the world. And I think that faith is something that is really important to a lot of us and how we navigate our journeys. And specifically me coming into the world as a woman, I encountered a lot of different things. And so feel free to laugh or clap or snap or just react however way you want to react, but enjoy. My cleavage is a snare. I'm on the Nationwide Church Mothers Top 10 Most Wanted hit list because I wore a tank top and double D's to the annual church picnic summer of 2010. Mother Johnson approached me in her white t-shirt, starched ankle-length blue jean skirt, had a crease straight down the middle that would provoke the equator to jealousy, and them white Skechers and cotton white socks that have lace fringes on the ends. Politely took me to the side, adjusted my top, and let me know, baby, if you want a godly man to pursue you, you gotta leave some room for mystery. I said, Mother Johnson, you must be one of the world's most unsolvable mysteries, because it's been 65 years and you're still single. Well, the slit down my pencil skirt on Easter Sunday was a 3/4 of an inch too short above the knee. So after slapping holy oil on my forehead, Sister Jenkins took it upon herself to wrap that nasty modesty cloth around my lap, and it felt more like a noose. Sunday mornings, like poplar trees, all I saw was strange fruit, strange righteousness, strange rules. I'd search through the closet trying to abide by policies prescribed by men, which meant no leggings, because everybody knows the spirit of Jezebel is in spandex. No crop tops, and God forbid I wear that silk maxi dress. No red lips, no red, no lips, no speaking, just sit down. No standing, just lay down on back and bear babies. Be a dog, not a crown. Cook meals and clean kitchen, cause women be too much body for the body. Preventative measures to safeguard us from the wolverine of the beauty industry. Well, y'all the only ones I've been hit by. Projecting Jim Crow-like laws upon my waist and place a scarlet letter on my spine and drag me out to be raped by stones in words the Bible never says. Christian chiropractors burden our backs with subtle sermons full of guilt and shame, thinking we'll bend. Instead we broke, instead we break. Fragments of shattered mirrors in our tears. They cut our cheeks every time we cry. You'll see the scar every time we smile. We're just wilted sunflowers. Oppressed by oppressive cult congregations and purity culture claims good intent, just bad outcomes, failed marriages, empty eves, and they still don't even notice. Too scared to talk about the dynamite in between our thighs, we imploded into fields of condemnation, laid on our backs, but all we bore was bitterness, not understanding why a good God would build a flower and make her regret her petals. Our faith hang upon poplar trees on Sunday mornings next to Mother Johnson. Well, about a month ago, I ran into Sister Jenkins at the grocery store. Eyes filled with shattered mirrors, voice trembling. She said, I didn't regret the babies or the marriage. I regret that I feared man more than I did God. Well, all we have here are next times. Maybe next time we'll stop shopping in department stores for identities that don't fit, skirts that suffocate hips, or tops that'll keep Catholics out of purgatory hell. Mary carried Christ in ragged cloths but had a heart of gold. So next time we'll unbutton the sky so our daughters can stop unbuttoning their virtues to put on attention, encamp them and watch them grow into guardians as we climb out our nooses. Thank you.
Time was enough, but it's 5:48. Only got like a couple more sides to do, and I'll be done. Just walking
Press Cody, go press.